Kingdom Plumbing provides expert water heater replacement in Henderson, Nevada, ensuring efficient installation, dependable hot water, improved energy savings, lasting performance, and trusted service for every home. Our licensed plumbers carefully remove outdated systems and install high-quality replacements tailored to your household needs. We minimize disruption while maximizing reliability, efficiency, safety, comfort, and long-term value through exceptional workmanship and responsive customer support every step of the way. Contact us today for a free estimate and let us handle your water heater replacement. Are you looking for a water heater replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found Kingdom Plumbing. What are the signs that my water heater needs replacement? Common signs include frequent repairs, rising energy bills, inconsistent water temperatures, visible corrosion, leaking around the tank, reduced hot water supply, and unusual sounds coming from the unit regularly. Will replacing my water heater improve hot water pressure? Replacing a failing water heater may improve hot water performance when internal corrosion or sediment restricts water flow. Our plumbers evaluate your plumbing system to identify the underlying cause. What is the service area for your Henderson, Nevada location? Our water heater replacement services have helped customers in the surrounding areas of Henderson, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Las Vegas, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, and Pahrump, Nevada. Where is your Henderson, Nevada water heater replacement service office located? We are located at 1489 West Warm Springs Road No. 110, Henderson, Nevada 89014. Our phone number is 725-900-4591. Visit our website, kingdomplumbing.com/Henderson-NV.